Hello.
Rescuers are desperately searching for survivors in the aftermath of Myanmar's 7.7 magnitude earthquake. The Sky Villa condo, reduced now to what you see here, was one of the structures that collapsed in Mandalay, the second largest city in Myanmar. Rescue efforts have been hampered by collapsed bridges, crumbled roads, and aftershocks. The United States Geological Survey estimates the death toll could surpass 10,000. Graphic and emotional video out of Myanmar, people desperately searching through the rubble of that massive 7.7 magnitude earthquake. One video, a son holding his mother's lifeless hand, her body laying trapped under rubble. He's reciting Dhamma, a core practice in Buddhism. Video clips like these, just our first glimpse into the aftermath of the largest quake to hit Myanmar in more than a century. Battered roads and energy blackouts, among other challenges, are making it difficult for rescue workers to help.